In this video, I show you guys how I restored a NES classic console. So what I started with was cleaning the outside of the case because it was nasty. It was dark gray on the top. It was cloudy looking. So I probably spent about 30-45 minutes on just the top case. And I like to clean the case plastics while it's all together so it's easier to hold on to and scrub, get some good leverage on. Basically, I scrubbed this thing for forever, trying to get all that dirt and stuff off. Because it was like gunked on there, gunked in the vents, gunked on the cartridge slot door. And then after that, I took it all apart, cleaned the inside of the case, took it apart, cleaned the cartridge slot by spraying isopropyl alcohol in the cartridge and then inserting it probably about 2 or 3 dozen times. After that, I completely took it apart, sprayed it out with alcohol, wiped it down with a paper towel. And then right here, I'm just cleaning the dirt and the rust off of the motherboard because it was nasty. Like, I don't even see how some of these works. It's so corroded and dirty. And I didn't work on that for too long because it came off pretty easily. It wasn't as stubborn as the case plastic, but it was still pretty stubborn. And then after that, I sprayed it with alcohol again. And this is 91%, by the way, guys. I don't recommend using the 70% from the pharmacy because it has too much water in it and it will corrode your electronics. After that, I just cleaned it all up, put it back together, screwed it all back together, and then cleaned it off really good. And then here is the before and after shot. It looks great, doesn't it, guys? Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button. Consider subscribing. I really appreciate it if y'all did it. It'd help me out a lot. And dislike it. I appreciate all feedback. And if you got any questions about any console, please answer in the comments below. I'll try to answer back as soon as possible. But anyways, guys, have a great day. I'll see you guys next time.